Guys, so I'm back with another human hair wig, and guys, listen, I think I went a little spritz happy and I sprayed a little bit too much water into this. Look at my clothes, it's like dripping, like I had to stop eventually. So pretty much this wig, like I said, it's a human hair wig. This is one of the Outre Mytresses purple label full wigs. She's called Gianni, and I have her in the color natural black. Now this hair can be bleached, dyed, or customized if you want to. So this is what the stock card looks like right here. This is it. Now on the stock card it looks a lot fuller and fluffier and stuff like that, so I thought that was what I was gonna get. But when it came straight out of the box, the curls was so pretty. Like the curls were neat, the luster on the curls were gorgeous. Like I loved the way the curls look straight out the box. But of course, once you put it on, it was a little bit crunchy and it didn't sit right, so you had to do some type of manipulation to it. It's not like a throw on straight out the box and go. Okay, you had to do something to it. So I decided to comb it out and see how it's gonna react. So I combed it out. Of course it did get frizzy, so I had to go in with some water in order to bring the curls back. And I could have gone in with some curling mousse, but I decided to use water for whatever reason. I don't know, I just decided to use water. Anyway, I did trim down the bangs a little bit as well because it was a little bit too long for my liking, because I kept pulling the wig back and eventually it would have just fell off my head if I kept doing that. So I was like, you know what, I will just go in and trim the bangs a little bit. The bangs aren't that thick, it is more on the natural side, but I wish that it was thick as this. Now I know if I go in and I diffuse it and dry it and stuff like that, it would get a little bit bigger, but it wouldn't get as big as it is on the stock card. Like this, I don't know what is this, but this is cute, you know. This is wet obviously, so that's why, you know, it kind of looks a little bit more on the flatter side. But at the same time, like I said, even if I dry it out, I don't think it would look as big as this. But anyway, still let me know what you guys think about it. So when it comes to the cap construction, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and you also have a stretchable mesh net material cap. It is definitely big head friendly because not only is there extra room in the cap, but it stretches a lot, so it's definitely big head friendly. I think this is perfect for anyone who is into like the whole wet and wavy type of vibes, although this is not wet and wavy, but at the same time, you know, it's given that. It's given very much wet and wavy vibes. If you straighten it out, I'm not too sure if it's gonna curl back up. That's why I said it's not wet and wavy. It doesn't say that on the stock card, okay? So don't go straightening it out, flat ironing it out and expecting it to just, you know, the curls to just pop back in place. That may not happen, okay? But anyway, let me know what you think about this. I know I look a little bit one-sided right now, but let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below. The density is more of a natural density. Like I said, the curls I really love. The curls are pretty. Regardless, the curls are like so pretty. I kind of wish that this wasn't a bang unit. Like I wish this was a lace front or something. Why did I never do that? I don't think they ever make these wigs into lace front wigs. Do they? Do I just not get them to review? I don't know, I'll have to look into it, but I think this as a lace front wig would be so pretty. Like the same type of curls, the same, you know, human hair and everything. But anyway, that's just me rambling on. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to purchase, the link would be in the description box down below, along with the colors that it comes in, although it only comes in natural black and a natural brown, but that will be in the description box down below. Thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you soon. Bye.